You asked for it and you got it. Hi guys, welcome to Stand Me Up with Sakshi. So today I'm going to do a requested video which is quite requested. A lot of you guys keep asking me to do a haul video, a Sarojini Nagar haul in particular. So here I am with a spring summer haul for you guys because there are a lot of colors involved and I got a bunch of things both from Sarojini and Coopes. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. I say that let's just start with Coopes first and then we'll move to Sarojini Nagar. So the first thing that I bought from Coopes was this tribal skirt, a tribal maxi skirt. It's actually quite sheer here because the lining is just till about here, but it looks beautiful. It's got this modern tribal bohemian print all over it and I love how the border is. It's so detailed. Since I bought it from an online store, I'll have a picture right here so that you guys can see, and it was really beautiful. I thought I will be able to wear this a lot in college, so I bought it. So the next thing that I got from Coopes was this full length lavender colored top. It goes all the way and it's got slit on the sides, so a little bit of your stomach will show because it's got a really high slit. And I love the color. I love how it screams spring and summers, and you know, you can actually, you know, wear this a lot of different ways. You can just change your accessories, your footwear, your lowers with it and wear it a lot of different ways. I'm actually really looking forward to styling this, so love this piece. The next thing that I bought is another one of my really favorite pieces because I mean, just look at it. It's a really pretty jumpsuit and I think you guys have seen it in my Bohemian Essentials lookbook, and it's so pretty. It's full length. It's got this really nice print all over it. Very, very bohemian. I love how the collar is like this rusty orange color, and I think I'm going to make a whole lot of use out of this during the spring and summer that is coming up. So really, really love it. So the next product that I actually bought off of Coopes was something that I was most excited for. I saw this on Shirley Setia. If you don't know who she is, you guys can Google it. She is an Indian YouTuber who sings really, really well. You guys should check her out a video. And I saw her wearing this at the YouTube Fan Fest Academy, and I loved it. The moment that I saw it, I was like so obsessed with this top. And when I found this on Coopes, I was like, I have to get this because this is off shoulder, you know, top, looks gorgeous, and I got a good discount on it too, so I was really excited for this one. So the next thing that I bought off of Coopes was something that I was again really excited for because this button-up trend is all over the place, especially those above the knee skirts. And those above the knee skirts are sometimes hard to pair with or wear to college and, you know, just casually. So I wanted something that I can make more use out of, and this was trending on Coopes and I knew I had to get it because you guys can pair it with a lot of different options like a crop top or, you know, some other top, because it's kind of a neutral color and you guys can pair it with a lot of prints on the top and a lot of colors, and I knew I would make a good use out of this because it gets extremely hot in summers in Delhi, so I knew that skirts would be a good option to, you know, invest in. So I bought this. Honestly, if you ask me the favorite of all of them, like my personal favorite, it would be no doubt this. So dreamy, so beautiful. I love baby pink. I think it's so feminine, looks extremely nice on everyone, on every complexion, and the style of this is really interesting. I'll put a picture because you might not be able to see it completely, so I'll put a picture right here so that you guys can see what it really looks like on. And I was really happy when I got this. It fits extremely well. Okay, that's it for Coopes. Now let's move on to the most requested haul, the Sarojini Nagar haul. So I went to Sarojini on the request of my viewers because you guys wanted to see a haul, and I said why not. I need to buy some clothes for spring and summers which is coming up. I need to really buy a few things and I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I went to Sarojini, of course, because Sarojini is the best literally the best shopping place on earth, because you guys can buy things off of Sarojini and then not regret, you know, spending a lot of amount, because the maximum that you spend is like about 250, 300. That's the maximum that you can spend on one clothing item in Sarojini. And I was really happy with all the things that I got. So without wasting any more time, I should really start with the video. So the first thing that I bought was this pair of shorts. Really cool. Can you believe it? It was from 150. It is such good quality. Love the border. Can be paired with a lot of solid colored tops. I actually got 3 pairs of shorts, and another one with this crazy print, crazy colored shorts. I think I'm gonna wear this at the night time, because honestly speaking, this is too flowy to be worn outside. Just look at it surgically, and it's a bit loose for me. I thought that, you know, it fit me perfectly, but it didn't, and it's a bit loose, and if worn low waist, it doesn't look that nice. I was planning to wear it high waist. I can get it altered, but what's the point? I got it from Sarojini. I would rather wear it at night time. The last pair of shorts that I got were these crazy pajama shorts. So when I saw these shorts, I love the print. It's got that tribal print, and I'm really obsessed with tribal prints, as you guys might already know. And it's got this neon string attached to it and a very comfortable elastic. So I'm really looking forward to wearing this at night. I got my pile of clothes right here, all of them, like it's just stacked there. The next thing that I got was this really nice high-waisted skirt from Sarojini as well. And I was so surprised when I saw this. I was like, I just asked the vendor, you know, how much is it for? And he told me that it was for about 250, and I was amazed because the quality is so nice. This material is so thick. I couldn't find any mistake in this skirt. This skirt actually looks quite nice. Like, it looks branded. It doesn't look like it's from Sarojini at all whatsoever. Fit is great. You guys should check out Sarojini right now if you stay in Delhi, because some of the things that you are getting in Sarojini right now are really good. So you guys should visit Sarojini right now. The next thing that I got was this cropped shirt, and I got it for 150 rupees. The tag says Forever 21. So I believe that this is a rejected piece from Forever 21 that they're selling for 150 bucks. Either ways, I'm quite happy about it, because I always wanted a military green. Though it's not a very summer spring color, it's more of an autumn color. But I really wanted this in my closet because I don't own any military green shirt. So the last 2 things that I bought off of Sarojini are tunics. This is the first one. Again, a very bohemian tribal print, sort of a print, and it's got this really nice border. And there is a theme going on my channel in this haul, because everything that I seem to get are printed and, you know, very bohemian. And when I got this top, the only thing that I had in mind, that I can pair this with like a denim jacket and a really nice belt, because otherwise this top on its own looks very blank and blah, and I didn't want to wear it like that, and I wanted to pair it with like a really nice silver jewelry and some really nice footwear and a denim jacket and a waist belt, a really nice good quality leather waist belt. And I knew this would then look really nice with some slacks, and that's how I visioned this top on me. So that's the thing that I got. The next thing that I got was another tunic. This is the one. Again, very bohemian. Surprise. Okay, so when I got this tunic, I didn't think that I would wear it like a modern tunic with like westernized way. I thought that I would wear it with like Indian jewelry, some jhumkas and like a salwar and a bidni, you know, that's how I imagined to wear it. And the strings that are coming out of it, I'm planning to chop them off, because again, this is for 250. I wouldn't mind cutting off these pieces, and that's it. Those are all the clothing items that I bought off of Sarojini, but that was not it. I got a few accessories and jewelries off of Sarojini, because how can you not? If you go to Sarojini, you'll know, and if you've ever been to Sarojini, you'll know that these guys have excellent jewelry pieces, especially the junk jewelry, the Indian jewelry that, you know, you guys can pair with a lot of different outfits. And I personally do love Sarojini's jewelry. So the first pair of earrings that I got were these. And I love how the color is. It's got silver and it's got a turquoise detailing to it. You guys can find a lot of these junk jewelries in Sarojini, but I really love the color, so I bought it. So the second pair of earrings that I got were these really colorful, really nice earrings. And there is this place in Sarojini where you get all the jewelry for 30 rupees. Can you believe it? I got these earrings for 30 rupees. Also got some bangles from Sarojini from the same store for 30 bucks. And I thought, you know, might as well get it because it's got pastel shades and turquoise, and those are my favorite colors, so I bought them. The next thing that I bought of Sarojini are obviously glasses, because whenever I go to Sarojini I always pick up sunglasses, and these were the reflector pairs. Crazy, right? Like absolutely mental. These are so reflective. They're actually basically mirror glasses. So guys, that's it for the video. If you stay till the end, make sure that you leave it with a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, because I would really appreciate that. I make a new video every Sunday, so make sure that you subscribe. And also guys, if you have any video suggestions, please leave it in the comment section below, because now you know I do listen to all your suggestions. And if you aren't following me on all the social media, I'm really active on Snapchat and Instagram, and also Facebook and Twitter. So my username are in the description box below as well. And I will see you very soon next Sunday. Till then, take care of your mind, body and soul. And also guys, remember, dreams don't work unless you do. So please do a lot of hard work and spread positivity and positive vibes in this coming week. Bye.
Wow.
Hi guys, welcome to Style Me Up with Sakshi. Today I'm doing a very interesting video.